we're gonna go step by step how to change the oil on a Ford Explorer ST. Stay tuned. So when changing the oil, it's very good to consult the manual from your vehicle, and the specification for this Explorer ST are on page 394, and this SUV requires 6 quarts or 5.7 liters, and he says that the grade recommended is 5W30 or 0W30, always synthetic. So to find the actual health of your oil, you press OK. Go to the menu, right? Settings. You can scroll up and down. Here, let me go back. Again, menu, settings, oil life, and it tells you the current oil life is 12% right now. So I'm gonna change it. It's recommended to change it when it hits 12%, but I'm gonna do it before. To open the hood, just pull twice. Insert right here. Once you pull the knob twice, the hood is released. There's the arrow, there's the rod, so you just put the rod in the arrow, and just like that. The oil filter is located behind the oil filter right here. Use the oil filter. Open the oil cap. So I do this just to make a better flow when you're draining the oil. These are the tools that you will need: a ratchet, a socket 27 millimeters, another socket 7 millimeters, small flat screwdriver, and a collector for the oil bucket, or what you use. So we need to remove the pins. They are here, here, and here. Also here, and the screws 7 millimeters here, 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 and here, in order to get access to the drainer. First step, you just remove all the bolts all around the 7 millimeter bolts. Okay, you can loosen them using the ratchet, and then use your hand to remove them easily. So once you remove the cover, this is the oil drain plug. It's in the Ford method. It's not a bolt or anyone. This is just a plastic nut, so be careful when you remove it. Okay, so once it's on there, I would recommend you to just twist it out or use both hands. Just use both hands to, like that. Oh, you already used it one, but with two hands, very carefully, you just untie it. and make it drain in your bucket. It will take a couple of minutes until the oil drains. And because it's plastic, it's always recommended to replace the plug, or if you're gonna reuse it, at least replace the O-ring. It's highly recommended. I will replace the O-ring in this case. It's just a matter of put it through like this, like how you're gonna put an O-ring back. It's not easy with both hands, but yeah, I managed to do it with one hand, and voila, you have it. Yeah. I will put the part number and the description in a link on the video so you can get it. But it's highly recommended to replace it. You don't want this thing leaking oil. When it's finished, just put it back and tighten it up. After you install it, there's no need to tie it or anything. It's hand tight. Just wipe any oil around the area. Keep it clean, nice, tidy. So you'll have hopefully the new part that you bought, right? And that's it. Now you just put back in reverse order the cover, and then replace the oil filter. That's next. So the cover goes under the plastic one, right there. Then you're gonna insert the pins one by one. So you're gonna put the pin gently one by one again. So find it, there's no rush. Put it back in the open position. Find the spot, put it, and gently press it. That's it. Same with the other one. Find the spot, put it, and press it. Once you put all the pins, now it's time for the bolts. You can put it hand tight and then use the ratchet to tie them up. Now it's time to tie those bolts. I will put the torque specification in the video if you want it, torque to spec, but this bolt doesn't require that much. So now let's go to the process to remove the oil filter. So here we're gonna just remove the cap. So we keep working out until we remove it. And we just put it out like that. Remove the cap, and now we're gonna remove the filter, and just like that. If you're part or member of our program, you will receive every 3 months a box like this, where you're gonna have premium oil. This is 2 quarts times 3, which is 6 quarts, which is what this vehicle needs every 3 months or every 5,000 miles, whatever comes first. So every time you will need to change your oil, you will have at your door what you need. It will come with the oil and the oil filter. So this comes from our warehouse and you will receive it at your home, everything you need. So I'm gonna put in the link in the description on this video, so if you're interested on the part of this program, it's very nice. It's kind of cheap because you won't want to only pay a monthly fee, a very short amount of time for the entire year, so and you can get out of the plan anytime you want. So the kit, this initial kit of the basic subscription comes with all you need for an oil change. Now for the oil comes tire kit with everything you need, the new set of O-rings and the brand new filter. Once you install the new O-rings and the filter, it's good to go. To install the filter, just find the right spot where it belongs, put it back, and hand tighten all the way. Once you hand tighten, is now when do you use your ratchet. So keep tightening until it's tight, not and it stops like that. Don't over tight. It's plastic and you will break it. Same with the drain plug. Don't force it. It's plastic, you will break it too. Now we are ready to pour the oil. Use the funnel of your predilection, whatever you choose. Put it in the position you want and just start pouring the oil. So this is the oil that I use. It's Motul 300V series. It's designed for high performance. I like it because their properties, if you're subscribed to my plan, this is the type of oil, or any oil that you prefer that is in my line card. It can be red line, it can be royal purple, or any other oil. This is the type of oil that you will get, same price. Then we're gonna pour the oil to the engine. No, sorry for that. Until finish the required amount, which is 6 quarts or 3 liters, which is the same. So when we finish, just put back the oil cap and you're good to go. So now, remember that ugly 12%? Now we need to reset. Menu, scroll down to settings, oil life, and press hold OK to reset. So to check oil leaks and verify the oil level, let's warm up the engine. So also we need to check if there's any light or anything that indicate that we need oil. There's no error or ECL light or anything. Check engine light or oil light, what matters. So now let's verify the oil level. Which is perfectly good. Both holes filled up. Both holes are covered. Also, we make an inspection of the oil filter, so there's no leaks. And leaks underneath the car also. That's it. Remember to close the hood and take your oil to your recycle area, whatever is in your city. Can be a auto part, or if there's any designated area for it, just do it. Thank you for watching, and you know the drill. Hit like, subscribe. See you next time.